Where's your slipper? Uy, ligsik man.
Ang aircon.
Ha? Here.
What's that wrong?
What's that wrong? Siren.
Hmm.
Para makahinga ang sili. At harvestin namin guys ang squash. Squashy.
Ito na po yung natira sa kalabasa.
Ito po natira sa aming squash. Buti na lang, tinirahan kami ni Mr. Squirrel. Dahil si Mr. Squirrel ay takaw.
Gitanom ba ni mo, love?
Yeah.
Or niturok lang siya?
Tanong niyo.
Pero nain, niturok lang na ano na. Careful, tatay.
So the other plants can breathe. Dahil ang kalabasa ay oh.
Nice.
It's just me, Mom.
I know.
I'm outside.
Yeah, I know, son.
Mom,
Yeah.
I'm house.
Why do you like to act like a monster?
Can I help you?
Mm-hmm.
Can I help you, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Why is she moving that dead plant, Mom?
Squash.
There's a bug! A bug, Mama!
I know, that's what the squash bug.
A bug?
Mhm. Another one.
Wow. So cool.
Are you gonna pull it up? Oh, Tata is so strong.
It's so heavy.
Tata is so strong.
Can carry the lip. Wow.
Nahimo na tong piupa tong kuan pa lang ga.
Let's get your slipper. Kailangan na piso. Yan mga ketchup, kailangan natin mag-harvest ng palaya. Slowly kuya.
This is the first fruit of the ampalaya, and now Tata is gonna harvest it.
Yan guys. Harvest tayo ng ampalaya.
Side ko si Kachuk kasi maraming ampalaya sa loob. Bi.
Luto kami ng pakbit bukas. Kasi kumpleto sa pakbit.
Bulaga. Kadungog ka sa pak. Napaya. Tara. Anya na, wait lang. Ila. Go. Oh, there you go. And there's one more, but it's still a bit. Kanila bo. Motobo pa nila.
Dako pa na.
Ako pa na maskin hiwi. Patulo mo dahil sila diri oh.
Can I hold those?
This is
Dako pa na.
That's not big yet, kuya. Go wait.
Mama,
Hold this one too.
this is calabasa.
No, it's not, son.
What's this then?
It's a bitter melon. Ampalaya.
Ampalaya.
Now there, look. 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 ampalaya.
See, look. We have ampalaya, baligis.
Yung 15 po na, uy.
20.
Can I help you?
So wait. You gonna ride?
Datay kaan, batsong.
Better melon?
Kani sa baba, love.
Hey! The watermelon's gonna hit you!
This the harvest me gaha. Was it yesterday pa lang the other day? Kani? Pwede na? Anuhan daw ni, lisuhan daw ni tatay ang kuan. Kani mahal? Pwede na ne? Still baby?
Dad, doing okay?
Yeah, we're gonna make some pakbet.
What's Pac-Man?
It's a vegetables. Different
Oh, yeah.
vegetables.
Kani, di na
Ayun.
Can I help you, Dad?
Kinan, if you were to sell that to people, how are you gonna sell that one?
Batu.
It's a bottom. Wala na ikuan kanang okra. Meron po kaming secret dito. Secret way to the
Oh no. I could wait up. Ano ay duha oh.
ang kana. Kani po diri lab oh, bisan lang ni. Kani oh.
Ay gabay pa na.
Uy ba na.
Oh, Mommy! Got some more. Okay, gotcha.
If you are to sell the ampalaya, how are you gonna do it? You shout ampalaya.
Abalaya!
That's not that's too much. That's screaming already.
Okay, Kinan's passing through. Okay, again.
Hi, good morning. What do you have?
Hi! We have squash, kalabasa, and then some... What are these?
Kamatis,
Kamatis. It's called
tomatoes.
tomatoes. Tomatoes and you know those, you know.
I know you know that.
Oh hi!
Oh, hi too.
It's broccoli.
It's okra.
It's okra.
Mm-hmm.
It's okra because
How about this one? Remember what this one is? Dera's favorite?
what's this?
Batong.
String
Mhm.
Green beans.
Where you going?
Oh, that way.
Careful with the thorn. You okay?
I want to walk the top.
Okay. You ask Tito for help. On this very beautiful day, we got this harvest. We have talong, sitaw, kalabasa, ampalaya, 2 pieces of okra, and kamatis. Actually, meron ding pepper doon. Excuse me. But since we still have more on the fridge, so